Welcome. In this video, we are going to make a password protected folder for our important documents. Open the folder where you have saved the file. Then right click and go to new text document. Rename it to LockFolder and open it. Paste the code that I have given in the description of this video. Scroll up and change your password to the password that you want to set for this folder. In this video, I am going to set it to something simple such as hello. Make sure that there is space between your password and the double equal to sign. Save it as with the extension .bat. Open the batch file that you have created and move your document and the notepad file to the locked folder. Open the batch file again and type Y to lock your folder. This step is necessary, otherwise the folder is accessible. Reopen your folder to make it hidden. Open the batch file and type your password to access the folder. Thank you for watching.